In the blink of an eye, stories left untold. At Zoomin, we bring memories to life. We craft smile with personalized printed photos of your memorable moments. Hi, this is Sachin Katira. I am the founder and CEO at Zoomin. We have been around for almost 10 years, helping our consumers preserve the moments that really matter, helping them relive their memories and for meaningful gifting and thoughtful decor. So we are a 60 people team with over 25 years of experience together in this domain. And in terms of footprint, I think we ship almost every pin code in India. So far, we would have shipped to almost 20 to 25 lakh orders to almost all the pin codes in the country. We've been around for almost 10 years. We've started way back in 2010. The idea here was to help NRIs print and ship their memories to the near and dear ones in India. And since then, we've evolved our product line into a whole bunch of products now, starting from 4x6 photo prints to now helping people print their moments into beautiful photo albums, to help them preserve and celebrate their moments of joy. So our customer has been mainly millennials, like a young parent who would want to preserve all the beautiful moments that really matter to them. Right from baby growing up to celebrating their anniversaries or the recent travel with families or any other occasion that they would be celebrating. So we were looking at high quality machine which is operator friendly, and it happened to be Fuji when they launched the machine. I think we were the few early customers. So far, we've had a great experience with both Fuji machine and the inside team in terms of servicing. So I think it'll all continue and do well. Thanks. So in the web to print domain, there's a lot of media changeover, and it's really important for us to be able to operate that machine easily. And Revoria has been that one such machine which has really helped us. And in terms of colors as well, we've been using almost all the 6 colors in single pass, and especially the pink ones and the texture toner, which has been really good for us. And the great thing is, it prints at the resolution of around 2400 dpi and it's in a single pass, which is great. And in terms of servicing, their engineers are always available, when it's required. And in terms of uptime, we've hardly seen any downtime because majority of the spares are always available at our premises, and the machine is so easy that even on a phone call, we are able to replace with the engineer's guidance. I think it's a great machine.